With this work, always be in profit. This is the only way to escape from big losses. With this strategy, always look for profit. This strategy is also used by the whales to make a good profit by analyzing the average line in the RSI stochastic indicator. Numbers near 50 or 0.5 can give traders a useful outlook. For example, when the average line acts as a support in the chosen range and the RSI stochastic line gradually increases and approaches 80, in this case, we can expect a positive trend for the target share. On the other hand, when the average line acts as a resistance in the chosen interval and the RSI stochastic line gradually decreases and approaches 20, in this case, we can expect a negative trend for the desired share. Another application of RSI stochastic indicator is to identify divergence, the movement of the price of a share in the opposite direction of the indicator or other data is called divergence. Divergence indicates the weakening of the current price trend line and sometimes indicates a change in price direction. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Limitations of using stochastic RSI. The first weakness of the stock RSI oscillator is its high volatility due to high speed and volatility. So the number of signals issued from it is much more than oscillator like RSI. A solution to this problem is to reduce the oscillations of this oscillator by increasing the numbers of K and D in the settings, which are both 3 by default. Another way is to put a moving average on the oscillator itself. Another disadvantage of this oscillator is that the stochastic RSI is the second derivative. The price of the target share is in the market. In other words, its output is twice as far from the actual share price. This means that sometimes this distance may cause the price and the oscillator to lose their coordination with each other. Traders can open trading positions in a corrective trend or important price ranges, such as supports and resistances, seeing the divergence and making good profits. K and D cross lines. Another way to trade with the stochastic RSI indicator is to use the K, usually blue, and D, usually red, cross lines. For example, when we are in an oversold range, when the K line on the indicator crosses the D line upwards, we can enter into a buy transaction. And when it reaches oversold and the K line crosses the D line downwards, it is possible to close that deal and get good profits with this method. To increase the trade score, we must use a tool called FIBO, which means that when the price reaches our support, we always wait for buy. But when is this question good? But this strategy is the answer. How should the price be given? Do the amount of structure change in the low time? Then look for candlestick confirmation with stock crossing and confirmation from 0.5 FIBO. 0.618 can also help a lot. Always wait for complete confirmation. It always repeats its price. We must wait for hunting. It must be an entry point. Our stop loss should be for traders, which means that after collecting cash, we will get approval and enter. I hope you liked this video. Until the next videos for now. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.